Hello, NEET UG and PG aspirants. Many students are having query if they are not getting low fees private college and if they are getting a private college where the fees are extremely high. For that, what is the options of education's loan? In this video, I am showing you informations of one government bank education loan options for medical student UG and PG both. Bank name is Union Bank of India. In Union Bank of India, they have certain colleges. If you take admissions in this colleges, then you will be eligible to get the loan. Definitely they will be having certain other criteria, but these colleges are coming within the list of the eligibility. That means if you take admission, then you will be coming initial eligibility list. Which all private colleges are there, I am telling you in this list. First is Amrita Medical College is there, which is located in Kochi. Next private college is KMC Manipal and KMC Mangalore. Next is St. John's Medical College, Ramchandra Medical College. Then DY Patil Medical College, SRM Medical College is also there. JSS Medical College is also there, which is located in Mysore. Apart from that, Datta Mega Medical College, which is called JNMC Wardha, that is also there. MS Ramaya Medical College is also there. Apart from that, KS Hegre Medical College, which is in Mangalore, that is also there. JNMC Belgaum is there. MGM Medical College Pondicherry, which is a deemed university, that is also there. Kalinga Medical College Bhubaneswar is there, and IMS SAM. Both the colleges are there in this list. Apart from that, if you see this SDM Medical College, which is located in Dharwad, Karnataka, that is also there. Trichy SRM is also there. Anand Rao Medical College, which is located in Telangana, that is also there. Ira Medical College, which is in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, that is also there. Ramurthy Medical College, Berli is also there. Next is Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Science, located in Gangtok, Sikkim. That is also there. Siddhartha Institute of Medical Science, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. That is also there. Institute of Medical Science, which is in Ambala, Mulana, that is also there. Bharatiya Vidyapith is there. Chettinad Medical College, located in Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. That college is also there in the list. Pondicherry Institute of Medical Science, which is in Pondicherry, it's also there. Goramdas Medical College in Dehradun, that is also there. MGA Medical College, Navi Mumbai, it's also there in the list. Then apart from that, Krishna Institute of Medical Science, Karad is there. Narayana Medical College, Nellore, it is also there. KIMS Bangalore, Kempegoda Institute of Bangalore there. Himalayan Institute of Medical Science. So this is the list of the colleges. I'll show you here also the entire list, so you'll able to see that. So according to the Union Bank Education Loan Scheme, if you take admissions in this college, you will be coming under the eligibility list of that. After that, based on other formalities, you'll be able to take the loan if your all other criteria fulfilled.